Dorner presents ERT150 conveyors, precision edge roller pallet and tray handling conveyors for low and no back pressure accumulation, assembly automation, and clean room applications. Featuring a variety of innovative pallet handling modules and zoning capabilities, the ERT150 is ideal for a variety of industries, including small and light load assembly automation, medical product and device manufacturing, electronic and consumer good assembly, and more. ERT150 conveyors are available in widths from 80 mm to 480 mm. They can handle loads up to 16 kilograms per pallet or tray and travel at speeds of up to 37 meters per minute. The conveyor system features an aluminum frame and 24 mm diameter rollers on 32 mm centers. The patent-pending linear gearbox drive system provides a robust and flexible method of driven rollers and the capability of zoning by simply removing a lower gear. Designed to be easily reconfigured, gears and drive shafts can be repositioned in the field. Featuring two roller options, zone rollers provide non-contact zone control for simplified traffic control. Slip rollers are ideal for accumulation with minimal back pressure. Pallets are available in industry-compatible sizes and can handle loads up to 18 kilograms. The turn and transfer module is capable of 2-, 3-, and 4-way transfers. The innovative design is completely enclosed for operator safety and allows for accumulation in the corners. The lift and locate station provides up to 45.5 kilograms of lift capacity using an adjustable height lift from the center of the conveyor. The lift and transfer module features a two-position pneumatic lift and utilizes an ERT150 transfer conveyor with driven rollers to transfer the pallet onto another line. The lift and rotate module includes a pneumatic lift and rotation for adjustable positioning. The product can be rotated 90 or 180 degrees. The pallet pusher module utilizes an ERT150 transfer conveyor with full-width slip rollers, delivering a low-cost option for 90-degree transfers. Pallet stops are available in standard and light load options, as well as cushioned and non-cushioned models. They can be added at individual locations or used in conjunction with other modules. ERT150 conveyors can be designed with a flush side rail design or a standard T-slot rail for easy attachment of accessories. The ERT150 is ISO Class 4 approved. The roller-driven open center design eliminates debris and is ideal for clean room applications. Consistent with Dorner's industry-best lead times, ERT150 conveyors ship in 4 weeks or less. Dorner conveyors come standard with the peace of mind of the Dorner 10-year warranty. Using Dorner's online configurator, you can design and engineer simple or complex conveyors to meet your needs in minutes. The industry-leading tool delivers a complete 3D CAD assembly model for instant validation of fit. Talk to a Dorner representative today to find out if the ERT150 is the right solution for your application. Dorner ERT150. Innovative edge roller technology conveyance solutions.